Hi children, today we are going to learn letter, sounds and strokes. Okay, shall we learn? What is this letter children? This is letter K. What is this letter? Letter K. What is the sound of this letter K? K. 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 What is this letter? Letter K. The sound of this letter K. 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 Shall we read these words? Kite, kite, kangaroo, kangaroo, key, key, king, king, kid, kid, knife, knife, kettle, kettle. What is this letter? Letter K. What is the sound of this letter? K. Kite, kettle, kangaroo, key, king, kid and knife. Next, we are going to learn letter V. What is this letter? Letter V. What is the sound of this letter V? V. V. What is the sound of this letter V? V. Vase, vase, vulture, vulture, van, van, wine, wine. This is grape wine. Wine. What is this? Letter V. What is the sound of this letter? V. V. Vase, vulture, van, wine. Next, we are going to learn letter I. What is this? Letter I. The sound of this letter I, E, E, E. Shall we read? Igloo, igloo, India, India, ink, ink. What is this? Letter I. What is the sound of this letter? E. Igloo, India, ink. Okay children. Now let us move on to letter Q. What is this letter? Letter Q. What is the sound of this letter Q? Qua, qua, qua. What is this letter? Letter Q. What is the sound of this letter Q? Qua. Shall we read? Quill, quill, queen, queen, quail, quail. What is this? Letter Q. What is the sound of this letter Q? Qua, qua, quill, queen, quail. Okay children. Now let us move on to sounds. So far we are learned many sounds and letters, right? Shall we recall? What are they? What is this letter? Letter S. What is the sound of this letter S? S. S. What is this letter? A. What is the sound of this letter A? A. 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 What is this? B. What is the sound of this letter B? B. 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 What is this? Letter T. What are the sound of this letter? T. T. What is this? Letter L. What is the sound of this letter? L. L. What is this? Letter P. The sound of the letter P? P. P. What is this? Letter M. What is the sound of this letter M? Mm. What is this? Letter E. What is the sound of this letter? A. A. What is this? Letter C. The sound of this letter C? K. K. What is this? Letter H. The sound of this letter? Ha. Ha. What is this? R. The sound of this letter? R. R. What is this? O. What is this letter? O. What is the sound of this letter? O. A. A. What is this? Letter D. The sound of this letter? D. D. What is this? Letter F. The sound of this letter is if. What is this? Letter G. The sound of this letter is G. This is letter X. The sound of this letter is X. Okay, children, clap your hands. Now we are going to recall the strokes what we learned. Shall we learn? Okay. So far, what are all the strokes we are learned? Slipping line, straight line, right slanting line, and left slanting line. Right. Shall we learn again? What is this? Standing line. What we are going to learn now? Standing line. It starts from the first line. It starts from the first line, ends in third line. How we are going to write? It starts from the first line and ends in third line. What is this? This is standing line. Now, sleeping line. It starts from the third line and ends in third line. It starts from the third line and ends in third line. Now we are going to recall slanting line. This is left slanting line. It starts from the first, it starts from the first line, ending third line. Now we are going to learn right slanting line. It starts from the first line, ends in third line, and then curves. It starts from the first line and ends in third line. This is right, left curve. This is right curve. It starts from the first line and ends in third line. Okay, children, kindly practice at home. Today we are recall the strokes, sounds, and then letters. Right? What are they? Straight line, slipping line, right slanting line, left standing line, right curve, and then left curve. You have to practice in your home. Okay? Okay. Okay, children. I hope you all are enjoyed. We will meet you in the next session. Stay safe, stay healthy, be happy. Bye bye. Thank you so much.